with Lael by Mail. In this video, we're going to take a look at one of my brand new project kits. This is the Live Life in Color mini book project kit. So we'll first take a look at the completed project, then we will take a look at the contents of the kit. As with all the Lael by Mail mini book project kits, the kit includes everything that you need to put the project together, along with color printed step-by-step instructions that are part of your kit, and then access to a 3+ hour video where I make the project with you step by step by step. So that class is live, and if you're unable to make the live class, then you're able to watch that on replay after it's been filmed. All right, let's go ahead and take a look. So for this project, I am using the gorgeous Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Essentials Color Palette Collection. That's a mouthful, but it is a gorgeous collection. I'm using for the base of the album, the teal snap binder. And as we get started with the Simple Vintage Essentials Color Palette, I'm sure I missed something there. The beautiful thing about the collection is that it is designed according to color. So you have all of the different colors of the rainbow, and I have designed the project kit accordingly. So you have all of the different colors in kind of different sections. So as we first open up, you'll notice there are lots of interactive elements in this particular project. So pockets where you are adding little tags, and you can do journaling on the back side of the tags, photos. You can even do photos on the front side if you would like. Little pocket here with space for photos. That little flap opens up to reveal another photo. As we continue, side pocket, little interactive flip there. But as you can see, we're starting out with the red color palette, moving then into kind of this bright pink color palette, more bright pink, and then transitioning from that bright pink into a blush pink. Another spot for photo there, room for photos and or journaling. Here's a kind of a little short pocket page. Moving into kind of that next range of colors. In the second section, you have the beautiful orange, another little pocket there for different sized photos. There's another little interactive element. As we continue, moving into that yellow color palette and a little kind of French doors there. As we continue, I think I've said as we continue probably about 10 times. Moving forward, how about that? Moving forward with more yellow. I'm trying to say continue again. I just love the beautiful color palettes in this collection. The yellows and the greens, everything is just so vibrant. Here's another little interactive element as we move into the greens. Little kind of belly band there, a great spot to tuck your photos in. This is, I think, a really fun interactive element as we open up here. And then here we have a little pocket to add tags or photos. And then it just kind of sits when you close it right outside of that little fold. Moving into the teal color. And the teal color coordinates obviously with the teal of the binder itself. Another little interactive element there with room for some smaller photos. Moving into the third section, or the third chipboard divider, we have, that's just decorative, so that little guy doesn't pull out, that if you wanted to make it so it pulled out, you could. Here's a little tag again that could pull out. Lots of fun tags. Simple Stories did a really fun, taller tag paper with this collection, so all those tags are 6 inches tall. A little room for photos there. A little side pocket again, room for your tags. The kit includes lots of, I think 3 yards of the kind of that white crochet thread or string, so you can add little snippets to all of your tags. But this is a double layered pocket, so pocket here, tucking in photos, pocket here, tucking in your photos and tags. Moving towards kind of that other end of the rainbow or the color spectrum, getting into kind of the blue, a little bit of indigo there. Another little belly band to tuck your photos. There's a little small interactive element again. And then moving into that last color, which is the violet. So this little guy, we're kind of ending with the bang with another interactive. So this guy lifts up, folds down, and then you have this little area right here to tuck in your photos. So 42 pages, room for lots and lots and lots of photos in this project kit. I love all the color. I think this collection is just brilliant. The mini book, because it does have so many different colors, makes it so that you can pretty much, add any type of photos. It could be spring, Mother's Day. It could be for a new bride. It could be for a bridal shower. Really could be just kind of your everyday photos, if you will. All right, so now moving on to the contents of the kit. The base of the project is that teal snap binder from Simple Stories. So with that, you have your 8 color and kind of designer pages, if you will. So 4 color. 4 that are your office. You have 3 chipboard dividers, and then you have 10 pocket pages. So an assortment of configurations of pocket pages. You have 4 6x8s, 3 4x6s, and then 3 3x4 4x6s. All righty. Now to the meat. Now to the meat. As I move over to the side, you have a yard of that black ribbon. Beautiful, nice and sturdy grosgrain ribbon for your cover. You have 4 little doilies that you'll be working with, 3 yards of that white crochet thread. Looking at the color pad, it is a color pad, the 6x8 paper pad. You have 2 sheets each of 24 papers. And so you'll see all of those beautiful colors. There's the red, the bright pink, the blush, and then just moving on through that kind of Roy G. Biv, the different colors of the rainbow, and black and cream, and then you repeat again. So 2 sheets each of those colors. You have the ephemera. So with the ephemera, there are 30 pieces. And as we've seen with the other products in the collection, following that same color palette. So you have a different piece of ephemera covering each of the 12 colors in the collection. Assuming that cream and black are colors. You have the page pieces, and so you have these beautiful, we're using color for the title, Live Life In, and then the interior inside cover and inside back cover using those beautiful connected butterflies. You have the foam stickers. These are the title foam stickers. So 2 sheets each, 6x12, and again, all of those colors in that rainbow. The 12x12 cardstock sticker sheet, again, organized by color. And then we have some singles of the 12x12 paper. So there is a cream black dot, that cream with a cream gingham, the tags for the teal, the tags for the cream and black, and then a beautiful just kind of black with the black buffalo check on the back. So that is the Live Life in Color mini book project kit that starts shipping on Monday, April 15th, 2024. I have included a link in the description box of the video down below to purchase. I've also included a link in the description box of the video down below to the Simple Vintage Essentials Color Palette Collection. So I carry quite a few of the a la carte items in this particular collection as well on my website. If you have any questions, please go ahead and leave a comment or reach out, lailbymail.com. And from there, you'll see a contact us page, and you can send an email with questions, and I'll be happy to respond to you. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.